Welcome to Season 2 of Hi Stylin, where I deconstruct outfits that I made after eating gummies and turn them into wearable looks. This season is brought to you by Wyld, Pomegranate, and Huckleberry again. Unfortunately, not sponsored. Let's see Jaime's first outfit. Okay, this is fully two outfits. Maybe I'll try them both. I promise I'm not high still, but this seems like a really meaningful piece of art to me. It's all grayscale, they both have red, but then the one thing that unites them both is this boot with hot pink on it, which neither of them can relate to. What does it mean? I don't know, let's find out. Here's the first look. Besides the fact that these Shakespeare leggings shouldn't exist, it's not that bad. Honestly, what I hate most about it is my hair. I just came out of the shower like this. I didn't style it. This is who my hair is. And this is not Jaime's fault. So I'm feeling a little threatened by Jaime already. Are you ready for look number 2? Wait, I'm not ready. I opened all my windows so I get a bunch of natural light in here to record, and there are people walking by, and I'm wearing a scarf on my head, and no shirt. Okay, they're gone. Let's go. Doesn't this seem like something you would see on the runway? Right? I am gonna combine both of the outfits. Here are both the looks combined. I honestly don't know what Jaime had in mind, but I think we can all agree either of the other two was better than this monstrosity. I feel like I'm being really unfair to Jaime here. It's like there was no rule that Jaime only had to make one outfit. I'm just supposed to make one outfit from Jaime's inspiration. So, in any case, I gotta fix this. I still think the random hot pink on the boot is just like a big FU to the rest of the outfit, and I don't get it. I mean, not that there's anything to get here. On the bright side, my stupid looking hair is now hidden by my stupid looking outfit, so there's that. Um, I just realized that Jaime tricked me. Jaime made two weird but okay outfits, and I made this! You win, Jaime. Well played. Don't wear this at home, and thanks for watching. Or maybe only wear this at home. Don't wear this at all. Just kidding, I'm not giving up that easily. So as you can see, I've kept the coat and bra from one look and kept the necklace from the other look, and didn't end up going with pants nor shorts. I picked this black mini skirt instead. I just thought it goes better with the look I was already going with. And I did kind of nod to the gray leggings though with these gray tights. Got rid of the hiking boots completely. I really don't think the hot pink was intentional at all. I didn't have these boots back then, so I think Jaime was doing the best Jaime could with what Jaime had. And put this beanie on instead of the ball cap or the, scarf around the head business. And I'm kind of proud of this top situation that I came up with. I wouldn't normally just wear a bra as a top, but with this gigantic necklace, which is usually very maximalist, combined with the bra, it actually creates this minimalist sort of top. And then I added a scarf to the bottom just because I didn't feel comfortable showing that much skin. And from far away, it does seem like just a red top with a weird slit in it or something. And then I added this scarf just to keep the black and white stripeness in there, kind of as a belt. I know I said before not to wear a bandana on the waist, but at least this time it's directly on my skin, so I can kind of breathe. And maybe the red on the heels is a little bit too much, but I don't know. I kind of like it. I do wish I had kept some of the plaid somewhere. I really like different prints together, and this is a little too color blocky for me, but I don't know. Did I beat Jaime? I feel like Jaime deserves a lot of credit. I would never have thought to do a top like this. So, where would I wear this? I think I would wear this someplace where I wasn't going to take my coat off because I still probably wouldn't feel comfortable just walking around in a bra. So maybe like to a show to see a band. Let me know in the comments who you think should win, and thank you for watching. Hell yeah.